One is information and warning and stop. So see the information also, how information is working. So select from K2 to K6 and now choose information.
Okay.
Hmm. It will only give you the information, it will not stop you. Fine. So up to you how validation you want to use and what message you want to display. You know,
Yep.
generally by default they have given a stop so that if someone is putting the someone is putting less than 1000 or not putting the valid values, it will not allow user.
Right. Just so like it doesn't mess with any formulas and stuff.
Yeah, right,
Yeah.
right. Okay, fine. I'm sharing my screen now quickly.
Okay.
Okay, fine. So let's brush up what we have done since the beginning of the session. Fine. Which all shortcut keys you have learned today?
We had changing the different sheets,
Just
which was
just tell me the
control
shortcut
page.
key name. Yeah,
Oh,
control.
control page up and control page down.
Right. And then
Um, oh, shortcut key. We had the insert columns. So that was Alt IC, and then row was Alt IR, I think.
right. Alt IC and then IR. Okay.
I remember something about control and like the semicolon.
Yeah.
I don't remember what that
That
is
was
though.
that was date. That was date. The
Okay.
current date. It will give you the current date. No?
Right. And then
Any
like control shift semicolon was something else.
that was for time.
That's right.
Right. Hmm. Any other shortcut key which we have used?
There was one for some, but I don't remember what it was.
Yeah, it's alt and equal to.
Okay. That's all
Any
I got.
other? Uh, we have done few more. If you remember for the chart, for the graph, which shortcut key we have used for the graph?
That was Alt F11.
It was only F11. You know, it's like
Oh, just
F11.
F11.
Yeah, you have to press in your laptop function. Otherwise, the key is F11.
Right.
I think you are pressing function key, fine. And
Yep.
then how we have put the dollar sign?
Um, Alt F4.
Only F4. So no
Oh,
alt. So
sorry.
it's
Only
only
F4.
F4, fine. F11 for the chart and F4 for the dollar sign, fine. Okay. Uh, which all formulas we have done today? Which all formulas you think?
We had sum,
Yeah.
average, count, and the three different counts.
We did count and then count A and count if. All right.
Yep.
Any other formula?
Um, average, count, the date difference formula,
Yeah, date diff. Yeah,
um, concatenate.
concatenate. So we did different way of concatenate, like
Yep, that and the ampersand.
that the ampersand. Yeah. Hmm.
Well,
Hmm.
we did so much.
Yeah. I know. I mean, we did a lot of other formulas also. Like we
Yeah,
did max,
that's right.
min,
Max, min,
and upper,
left and
remember?
right. Yep,
Upper, lower,
mid.
proper. Yeah. And then we did left, right,
Right.
and mid as well.
Yep.
Okay. Any other formula which we've done?
Mm.
Now we did if formula and if and and.
Oh, that's right. Yep.
If and and. Okay. And then we did lot of graphs. I hope you've enjoyed doing the graphs. We did a lot of things in it.
Yeah.
Like which all graphs we did.
We did column,
Yeah.
chart, pie, the double axis one.
Yeah, the two axis one.
I
And then
believe we had a bar in there and something with a trend line.
that was basically the combo. We did the combo chart.
Yep.
Then
That.
we did the trend line. And then we did the bar chart, which was the last one, the horizontal one.
Yep.
Yeah. And we did the dollar sign concept. And we did two dashboards, which was the sparkline. Remember sparkline?
Yep.
And then the heat map. Sorry, we did the heat map. How we have created the heat map? How? Where was the option?
It was data validation. No, it wasn't.
No,
It was
no,
conditional
no, no.
formatting.
Yes, it was condition formatting, and then we went to color scales. We selected the first option. Remember? So
Yep.
that's why how we created the. And where was the option of sparkline?
The sparkline was in insert, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's an insert, and then you have the option of sparkline. Okay.
Yep.
So in 2016, just a small option like addition, which has done so that if you by chance upgrade your version, you should know that. So you have this search button. Fine. I forgot where's the option. So I can just in search, I can type Sparkline. So it will start showing me the options. Can you see line Sparkline, column Sparkline? This is the additional option in 2016.
Okay.
Okay. So we did Sparkline and heat map. And now we did data validation in which
Yep.
we did everything. We restrict the user and we have given our own error alert and the input message. I hope you have learned today.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. Okay, what's the new thing? What's the best thing which you like among all?
Hmm. I like the shortcuts, especially going in between the different sheets, because sometimes it
Sheets.
takes me
Okay.
forever to scroll to
Hmm.
get to them. Another one is actually the control D and the control what is it, R?
Right,
I forgot
right,
about
right.
those short